B2B marketers have three great sources of data to personalize the experience for visitors to their website: contextual data, firmographic and technical data, and behavioral data. There's a lot sitting in contextual data that can actually improve how you speak to your prospects. You might look at where they are, speaking to locally relevant things. You might talk to them differently if they're on a mobile device or on desktop. And if you know what time of day and day of week it is where they are, you can actually speak to them in the mindset that they are in that moment. You know, if it's the middle of the afternoon in a weekday, they're at work. They're thinking in one mindset. If it's in the morning on a weekend, their head is in a completely different place, and you can talk to them differently as a result. With firmographic data and technographic data, you can tailor your pitch quite a bit. If you can reverse IP lookup and know what company you're speaking with, you can do account-based marketing, speaking to the individual company, maybe the individual person at that company. If you know what industry a company is in, you can actually show their competitors on your website, trying to stoke those competitive juices, getting them to want to use your product more. If you can look at their website and learn different technologies they're using, you may be able to infer something about how you want to speak to them. If you're selling CRM software, you can see what CRM is on their site and take action on it. And finally, if you know what size of company they are, you may tailor your sales pitch entirely differently. If you're talking to a 10,000 person company, you may point them straight at your sales force. Versus the 10-person company, you may send them straight to your self-serve product. Behavioral data can also help you tailor the experience. You might take the first-time visitor to your website and talk to them about your brand promise. Help them understand what category your product is in and what it does. The repeat visitor, you might now try to drive more engagement, getting them to listen to that webinar, getting them to talk to a salesperson and accept a demo. And the repeat customer who's coming back, you want to cross-sell them, upsell them, tell them about your latest release, or even better, get them to tell another prospect about your product and service to drive more sales for you. Our hope is that you are better able to use contextual data, firmographic and technographic data, and behavioral data now to drive more revenue today. Want more ideas on how to personalize your website? Talk with us.